ready. We are overlooking Wahlenbergbreen. Crazy glacier. Yay! Just made it to the land of polar bears. So happy to be in Svalbard.
Yeah, of course.
It's a bit cold though.
Give thumbs up and subscribe our channel.
What do you think, Nina?
Well, it's pretty tough, and we are, I think, just on this mountain of food.
That's a lot of food. We'll manage.
Yeah.
So we're going to Wahlenbergbreen right now, and right in front of us. And the weather forecast was terrible, and now the conditions are actually great. So this is David. David's our photographer, ready to take pictures.
Yes.
So what are the plans for tonight, Nina?
Set up tents for rain.
Set up the tents, yeah, exactly. Before the rain, yeah.
For the rain. Yeah.
Do you want to just...
Good morning everyone, it's about 5 in the morning and I'm on watch for polar bears. I just wanted to show you what it's like. We have a little rotation about who's doing the watch when, and then we just take binoculars out every 5 minutes to take a look if there are any bears. So I've just finished my watch. Charles is taking over, and I'm quickly, before breakfast, going to check out the time-lapse camera that is just here, still standing. Hi everyone, good afternoon. Look at where we are. We're on the north side of Wahlenbergbreen, and it's just insane behind us. We have these huge ice fall. We're trying to set up the camera. It's difficult. It's about what, 10, 11 p.m. Having an evening stroke to install some time-lapse cameras, some end-lapse tikis, looking at this big piece of ice behind us. Good morning everyone, it's about 2:30 in the morning. I look a bit sleepy, but this is my last watch. It's getting pretty dark here, you probably cannot tell, but all good at the camp. So this is our little friend at camp, Mr. Foxy, who definitely knows there is some good food around here. Do you use the pedals?
Okay, stay close to start with to see how this works out.
Bye! We're not gonna go far! Va pas trop près du gros iceberg, hein? Oh!